Never let anyone tell you that you're useless, because you're not. You're not. You're amazing. Each one of us is unique. Allah loves you. He knows you personally. He knows your challenges. He knows your struggles. He knows your tears. He knows what is going on. He knows the positives, the negatives. He knows more than you know about yourself. And He did not make any one of us useless. And therefore, never tell others that they're useless, especially the children. Empower them with the most beautiful words, because that builds them. When they're 1 year, 2 years old, 3 years, at that age, when you keep reminding them of how beautiful they are, how amazing they are, how intelligent they are, when you hug them, you kiss them, you embrace them. That is taught by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When he embraced his grandson Al-Aqra ibn Habis, says, I have 10, I've never kissed even one of them. How could you? Meaning at that time they thought being a man was you couldn't kiss your children. The Prophet, peace be upon him, looked at him and told him, Man la yarham, la yurham. Statement done. Whoever doesn't show mercy will not be shown mercy. Whoa. Look at that. Which means kiss your children, embrace them, give them good words. When they do something wrong, it's normal, it's natural. It's fine. They're kids, they may yell, they may scream, no problem. You're an adult, don't behave like a child, behave like an adult. They're children, let them behave like children. They may break things, they may say things. They may speak out of turn, they may whatever. They may make huge blunders and mistakes. They may falter in the path or on the path. It's okay, it's fine. We will guide them in a beautiful way. I'm not saying leave it and don't do anything about it, but we will do it in such a beautiful way that we empower them.